In this video, we're going to be learning how to create these product mockups in Canva. Using this method, you can create mockups for smartphones, for t-shirts, and much more. Start off by logging into Canva. From there, choose the design that you want. Let's say I want to create a presentation. I will click on it, and the presentation canvas will be set up for me. Now we can go ahead and add our mockups. For that, simply go to the left hand side, click on Elements, scroll down, and here you'll be able to see mockups. Click on it, and a bunch of different mockups will be showing up. Now let's say I want to create a t-shirt mockup. I will come here and click on See All. Then I will select one of these images. Let's say this one. I can resize this image. Okay, so that looks good. Now I searched up for a random graphic to add to this t-shirt. Let me download this and upload it into Canva. I will drag the design onto the t-shirt. And you will be able to see the product mockup has been created. Now if I want to, I can also create beautiful website mockups using a laptop or a smartphone. For that, come into Elements, go back, come into Computers and select this one. I will resize this and align it to the center. Then I will again go into Elements, scroll up, come to Smartphones and select this. Then I will resize this and make sure it's aligned to the center as well. Now here's an image that I generated using ChatGPT. Let's add them to the mockup. First of all, I will download this. I will copy and duplicate it here. Then I will edit them and crop out these websites. I'll do the same here, but for the mobile website. Now I will come back to Canva and upload both these images. Once they are uploaded, I will drag the mobile image into the mobile section and then drag the computer view into the laptop mockup. So as you can see, we have created now a multi-device website mockup. So that was a quick tutorial on how to create product mockups using Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.